Hello everyone, my name is Kenneth Lim and I'm from Kerti, Malaysia. Now I'm taking mechanical engineering as my major. Now it's my year 2 semester 2. So today in this Pustaka Makerspace video, I'm going to show you guys how to exploring AR by using Arduino. And the Arduino that I'm using this time is Arduino Nano. And the concept for this project is by using the coding as well as the wiring for smartwatch and try to change it to the AR smart glass. So without further ado, let's get started.
Next, I'm using Arduino IDE to write the code for Arduino. So the Arduino IDE is basically the environment to write the code and also to communicate with your Arduino by using Arduino C. So here are the coding for all of the projects. It looks very complicated, but no worry, I will teach you guys how to find these codes online. So this code is basically the coding for a smartwatch. So how you're going to find it, you have to go to your browser and you say smartwatch Arduino. Okay, then you can scroll down. This is the code that I'm using, so you can click inside, and it is inside project hub for Arduino. And these are the creator. The creator is Chumbaka, and you can read through it, the website. So inside the website, we'll teach you guys what is the component that we need. So the first one will be Arduino Nano, and the next one is OLED screen display module, and the next one is Bluetooth module. And next, I'm using some of the components I'm not using. For example, vibration motor I'm not using, and toggle switch I'm not using, and also rechargeable battery. And how I power my my project is just connect to my computer and charging module. But if I wanna make it better, I need to add on charging module and rechargeable battery. So what I use in my project is basically just Arduino Nano, OLED screen, Bluetooth module, and push button. Okay, so yeah, these are the things that we need. These projects require two different software. One is Arduino IDE and another one is MIT App Inventor 2. So this one is basically using a blog to create my mobile apps. And here is the tutorial that shoot by author on how to make a smartwatch. If you guys are free, you can read through it and you can create your smartwatch as well. I'm using the same concept for smartwatch to create my AR glasses. So here also have some step-by-steps to how to create your own mobile apps for these projects. So here is the connection for Arduino Nano. And this is rechargeable module, and here is the rechargeable module, charging module, and this is the rechargeable battery. So basically for my projects, there are just these three button, push button, OLED screen, Bluetooth module to connect my phone, and also my Arduino Nano. So here also have some of the tutorial on the connections for your Arduino Nano. Alright, so inside this website, there is a code for the project. So these are the things that exactly the same that you guys saw just now. So what you're going to do is just download. You click download, then you can see the thing come up here at the bottom here. So you just need to open it on your Arduino IDE. Alright, so yeah, so basically these are the thing. And inside this IDE, you have to change some of the thing. Okay, for example, this one, you have to go tools and have to check your board. So today we are using Arduino Nano, so we going to choose Arduino Nano. And the next one is your port. Your port, mine port is COM3, so your port maybe will be different. So you just need to see which one is exists. So you just press COM3. And the next step you need to do is you have to verify first, because some of the coding there are some error there. And beside that, because some of the library inside this coding is not included in our own Arduino IDE. For example, memory-free.hash. Memory-free.hash, this library is not included inside our Arduino IDE. So what you're going to do, the easier way is you can copy the name, and you go to your browser, you type this library. Okay, the first one come out is from GitHub. In terms of the coding wise, normally we can go GitHub and you can see this thing. So you can just download. Here is the thing, download zip. Okay, download zip. Then you can get a zip file. Then how you're going to include inside your Arduino code is you go to include library, and here have add zip library. So you go to download, here is it. So you can click and upload. So because I already upload this memory free library inside my IDE, so I'm not going to do now. So there are some of the library, for example this one. This library also not included inside this IDE, so you have to use the same way. You go to your browser and type in the library that you need, then you can just direct the whole file and you click download zip. Alright. Okay, next for the apps. Your mobile apps, they are using MIT App Inventor tool. So you just need to go to your browser and say MIT App Inventor tool. The first one come out is this one. Then you click it, and here in this page you click create apps. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing that will come out. Will be your layout. This is the screen on your mobile apps. You can design your screen by yourself. Like here, button, chat box, you can pull and put here. So this is the simple button, and you can connect it with your coding as well. So you can go to block. So here are some of the things they can use. Here are control, like if else function, and if else, while, and do while loop. And the next one is the logic, maths, and text, list, and so on and so forth. So inside this software, you can follow the instruction here, follow the step-by-steps, like these are the coding. These are the coding for your projects. It's a bit complicated. You can follow it one by one, or here the author had upload one APK file. So you can just download this APK file in your phone, then you can use this to run your codes. So these are for App Inventor. Then when you wanna connect to your phone, when you done your apps wanna connect to your phone, you can go to connect, and there are some way to connect to your phone, or the easiest one will be AI companion. So you just need to download MIT AI tool on your device. This is the apps that you can find inside the App Store or your Google Play Store. So inside your phone, that apps, you just need to scan this, or you just need to tap in the code. Then you can connect your phone apps with the screen that you design.
So here is the casing for the project. So I already connected everything according to the tutorial I shown just now. So here are the setup for everything, and this is basically the screen that will display the thing that show on the OLED screen, then reflected by a mirror here. So the mirror will reflect the thing that display on the OLED screen. And here I also have a lens. This lens is basically used because when the OLED screen display thing, actually the size for the screen is very small, so I need to use this lens. It's basically like a magnifier to magnify the screen that display on the OLED screen. So this is the whole setup for the projects. So basically here at the end here, I have put an empty space, and here is the plug to connect the Arduino Nano. So this is also the way for me to power up the whole projects. And here the OLED screen is inside here, inside there. So the OLED screen will first reflect on the mirror, and then the lens is to magnify the display on the OLED screen, and next it will display on the screen as well. Here is the screen to display the things that on the OLED screen. So here is the place to hold your glasses together with these projects. But definitely this project is very big, so the improvement for this project is basically it's not using breadboard. So as you guys see here, I'm using breadboard to build my projects, but then the improvement for this project is not using breadboard, but it's used solder to solder out every component. And also the wire, will need to choose the shorter one so that the wire is not very messy. As what you guys see here, it's very messy to look on this direction. And here are some buttons, and the button is to have different functions. So if you guys read through the website just now, these three buttons have different function. So yeah, this basically is the demonstration on how to build my projects and the basic physics on it. So up next will be the demonstration. Alright, so that's all for my demonstration. So what we learned today is the new component, which is OLED screen, and also we learned how to make use of the resource that we got online, which is I'm using the concept of smartwatch and to build my projects, which is the smart glass. So that's all for me today, and thank you. Bye bye.